Smash! May the force be with you. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Or welcome back to the channel. Today I have double lightsaber of the Jedi. So if you're a Star Wars fan or a Jedi fan, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you double lightsaber flow. What's cool about this guy is like makes sounds, and if you hit each other, it makes sounds too. I don't know if you can hear that one. Ooh, man, that one's loud. Yep. So hope you like this one, and let's get to it. Oh wait, should we turn off the light so it would look like cool? Let me see. Let's turn this off. Hear that one? Let's turn off the lights. Ready? So that's how you flow it, guys. Let's turn on the light. Whee! So that's how I flow with double lightsaber. Hope you like that one. Comment down below if you want me to break it down for you guys. And in a future video, I am going to make a series which teaches techniques and or shows techniques and would lead to combinations and a partner drill. So if you like this kind of videos, hit the subscribe button, comment, like, and hit the bell button or notification bell or something, and Thanks for watching, and share this video to support it so I can make more videos for you, more videos like this for you guys. So see you in the next video. May the force be with you.